In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Then tap on All Services. Scroll down to tap on Autofill with Google and click on Google Password Manager. Now choose Add Password here and input all of those information. At the top, pick any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then add your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!